Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you this amazing soft and tender vanilla sheet cake. This cake is perfect for any occasion, so stay tuned and keep on watching. The list of ingredients will be in the description box down below. So I wanted to do something different in this recipe, so I'm using powdered buttermilk. This is a brand that I've used. So this recipe calls for 1 cup of buttermilk, so you want to pay attention to the ingredients on the back of the box. Here I have 4 tablespoons of buttermilk powder, and I have measured 1 cup of water. For the sugar, I'm going to remove a 1/4 cup and set this aside for the egg whites. I'm going to take the rest of my sugar and add it to my mixing bowl. And we're going to move on to our cake flour. I'm going to add the powdered buttermilk. And my baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And we're going to go ahead and sift our dry ingredients in the mixing bowl with the sugar. Sifting your cake flour is a very important step. This will give you a soft and tender cake, so don't skip this step. Okay guys, so the next step is to just give this a mix. You want to make sure this is well blended with the sugar. So next we're going to work on our wet ingredients. Here I have my egg yolks, my vegetable oil, pure vanilla extract, melted butter, and water. Okay, and you want to go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, so we're going to move on to the egg whites. So what I have here is a paper towel with a little bit of vinegar, and this will help remove any grease that may be in your mixing bowl. You want your bowl to be grease free so the egg whites can whip to stiff peaks. I've also used this to wipe down the beaters as well. So I'm adding the egg whites to the mixing bowl. And you want to go ahead and give it a mix until the egg whites become frothy. And here I'm adding my cream of tartar. And the cream of tartar is also going to help the egg whites become stiff peaks. So you want to gradually add your sugar, a little at a time. So here the egg whites are stiff peaks and these are ready, so we're going to set this aside. Okay, the next step is to add your egg mixture into the dry ingredients. And you want to mix this on low speed, a little at a time. Once all the egg mixture has been added, what I like to do with my cake batter is to mix the rest by hand. Now it's time to add the egg whites. And you want to fold your egg whites into your batter. And you want to do this in 3 additions. Okay, so this is the last of the egg whites. Our batter is ready to bake. Here I have a 9 by 13 inch sheet pan, and this is by Wilton. I have this lined and buttered with parchment paper. So to get rid of any air bubbles, you want to give the pan a tap, and I also ran a knife through the cake batter. You want to bake this at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. So here's the cake out of the oven. I'm letting it cool on a wire rack. So later I'm going to add some vanilla buttercream frosting to this sheet cake. So you want to let the cake cool completely, or else your frosting will melt. So for this vanilla sheet cake, I wanted to go for more of a classic look. So I didn't do any fancy decorations or anything like that. I just did a simple buttercream frosting. You can frost this vanilla sheet cake with whatever frosting you like. Just remember to have fun. You're making this for your friends and family to enjoy. Okay guys, it's my favorite part. It's time to cut into this soft, mouth-watering, yummy cake. So guys, you can see how soft and tender this vanilla cake is. I know it may seem like there was a lot of steps to this cake, but you can see it was all worth it at the end. So to give the cake that classic look I was going for, I added some sprinkles on top of the cake. This reminds me of how my mom used to make my birthday cakes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Make sure you click that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.